start your PC or laptop and just open my computer and watch your pendrive or hard disk. I'm sure you will have a new hard disk or pen drive or other bootable disk. Corrupted memory card. Enter. This method using command prompt, a simple CMD. It's a system software like best of luck guys, and follow these all steps one by one. Just open your PC and go to search and just type command prompt or CMD, or go to run and type CMD, just like that. Command prompt, here show a box, run, just type CMD. Just type disk part, no space, press enter. Computer 9 disk part is type list disk, press enter. The two disk available. The disk 1 is my pen drive. Select disk 1, press enter. Disk 1 is now the select disk and disk 2 volume, press enter. Yeah, show that 3 or 4 volume. And the last one is my pen drive. Just select volume 3, press enter. Volume 3, volume 3 is the selected volume, and clean. CLDA, a few minutes. This case we will clear the disk, then create partition, primary, center, specified partition, current partition is active. Display partition, press enter. Partition 1, primary 31 GB. Select partition 1. Partition 1 is now selected partition, and last one is format. The main program of this format, fs name file system, sum, flat32, and just a few lengths. House, okay. Got the frame, yes, take for just like few minutes. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and subscribe YouTube. Enjoy for more videos. Facebook Kabir Ahmad. Thank you guys, bye.